Hello and welcome to Miss Sam's phonics class. Let's write few words. Are you ready? Let's get started. Can you spell hem? Hem. To spell effectively, we must know the sounds really well. Okay? Hem. Stretch the word hem. What is the first sound that you hear? Hem. Is the first sound. Quickly write. Is a giraffe letter. Hem. We can hear eh. That is the next sound. Hem. How do you write Eh and are chicken letters. Now what we have to do next? Yes, we have to read on our own. Let's try. Hem. Hem. Very good. We can read the word hem and we have not written any extra sound or we have not missed any sound. So our spelling is correct. Well done. Good job. The next word is ham. Hem and ham are similar, but there is only one sound that is different. So let's write ham. What is the first sound? If you practice more, spelling will become very easy for you, but you need to practice every day. Ham. Ant, we know it. Ham. And we just wrote ham. Let's read. Ham. Correct. Well done. So we can check our own writing. Good job. Can we write hid? Hid as the first sound. This is short vowel sound. We will learn long E sound later. Hid. 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 Write neatly, okay? Hid. Are you able to read the word? Hid. Yes. Is there any extra sound? No. That means our spelling is correct. Well done. What is the next word? The next word is hand. How many sounds are there in hand? And hand. And 4 sounds. So we have to write 4 sounds. As the first sound. As the first sound. As the next sound. See, I'm writing on the computer, right? So I'm finding it a little difficult to write neatly. But I know you will write very neatly. Hand. Hand. So what is missing? Hand. Hand. That is the final sound that we can hear. If we play the game, identifying the ending sound, it will be very easy for us, right? Hand. That's how we play that game, right? Yes. Now, what is the next step? Read. Yes, I can hear you. Say it loudly. Hand. 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 Very good. Our next word is very similar to hand. Only one sound is different. And the word is sand. sand. Can you write? S-A-N-D. How many sounds? 4 sounds. So let's try. What is the first sound? S, sand. S, very clearly we can hear. S, apple. Sand. See, if you know the sounds well, it will be so easy for you. Sand. D. D. Sand. 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 Let's read. It is correct, right? Still we have to read. And sand. We will make this as a habit. Okay? So whenever we will rewrite something, we will read to check on our own if it is right or not. Parents, please don't correct your child if they are writing something wrong. Ask them to read the word and let them figure out if any sound is missing or they have written anything extra, and let them correct on their own. Okay? Very good. Okay, our next word is honk. Can you write honk? Let's write. Oh, ha, ha, oh, hong, honk, k. Which k? Now it is kicking k. Okay, we will tell children it's kicking k or curly k, whatever k they are writing. At this point, we will accept everything as correct because I have already shared that the rules that we have for C and K, those rules are very complicated for children to understand at this point. They can apply those rules later. Okay. Honk. Let's read. Honk. Can you blend? Honk. Honk. Well done. Good job. Pat your back. You are a super speller. Shall we write one last word? Yes? Let's do it. And the word is hectic. Oh my God, a big one. Hectic. Let's write. Heck. Eh. Heck. Heck, curly k or any k, hectic. T, t, e. Hectic. Which k? Okay, hectic. Like we have discussed in our CK rule, for words which has more than one syllable, like 2 syllable here, hectic, thereafter any vowel, curly k, that means C will come. But we don't have to learn all this right now. Okay, so now what can we do? We will practice little blending and segmenting with the Up to 6 Phonics app.